Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the mouse cursor color and pointer size on your Windows 11 computer guys. You can change different color you like it. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you just need to go to accessibility. Click on it. On right side here is option guys, mouse, pointer and touch. Click on it. And here is three option guys, black pointer and inverted pointer and the green pointer. This is custom guys, you can change whatever color you like it and choose another color. Here is option, you can choose whatever color you want it. I'm choosing blue. That's you can usually change this color, recommended colors, and you can add this whatever color you want it here and click done. And after that you can change the mouse size also guys. Here is the size option. Here you can increase the size like this. This is the bigger size of mouse. You can change this like whatever size you want it. I'm good, one is better, not three is better. And mouse pointer color is, this is better guys. And this is how to change the mouse size and the pointer color. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.